Okay, hold now. Hold now, position yourself. My D-Tank, get ready. Okay. I will mark Liam first. Okay, spread lang, boys. Spread lang. This, okay, that's fake. That's fake. Soap spread. Everyone on the gun. Giga. Everyone east. Everyone look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omina on the gun. Just stop on the gun. Okay, heal your node. Spread lang. It's okay. Spread lang. Oh, it's okay. All good, boys. We're good. Keep spreading. Spread lang.
North side sila, north side. Don't
Yeah,
come north
spread lang. Oh, don't go too far. Defense. Get ready. 13 seconds. We're gonna engage. 13 seconds. Come to me southeast now. Walk with me southeast. Set up now. Set up southeast. On me on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm on the ground. Just stop on the ground. Good. Spread now, boys. Guardian armor, helmet. Guardian armor, heal your node. Guardian armor, heal your node. Spread again. Don't climb up in the middle. Don't climb up. Don't climb up. Spread. Sangkai, spread. You're clamping up. Everyone, look on the ground. CC them in the middle. Oh my god, I'm dead.
One tap si Cooks. One tap si Cooks, gago.
Overstay kayo.
Tell them GG. Wait me. Sayang man. Guard on me.
Go back na guys, go back. Go back, northwest. All northwest.
Ang dami mo brawlers, ba't nakaklamp up sa'yo lahat?
Don't climb up, boys.
Pero internal site mo.
Don't climb up,
Matap.
You guys
I
notice
only
the
see
around
internal
northwest
blade.
side, the enemy?
Infinity blade brawling.
They do that.
We're good, guys. It's just like we're clamping up. I mean, na one tap ako, man. My bad. Guys, please drop guard on me. Remember, don't forget to put guard on me.
You're playing two open cooks. You're playing a kite clap comp, and you're not putting in the chokes.
No.
You're playing like a brawler.
We're not playing kite clap.
No, we're brawl.
We're clap brawl.
We're melee brawl, kapare, right now.
We're clap brawl this time. So that's why we can soak it. I just need the guard runes to put, guys, okay? Put guard runes on the
on the crown.
yes. And Hawa, don't stick with me, Hawa, so that mano mo ako, you can use your enigmatic on me, Negamatic.
Kaya nga tumatambay ako sa kilid mo.
Oo. Nasama ka sa engage dun, sayang. Again.
Buhay ako, gagi. Cooldown lang enigmatic ko. Ikaw lang yun na one tap. Buhay ako.
Ako lang?
Easy. Oo. Slow
Ay,
ones
aray
kasi.
ko, man.
Ay, sorry.
Tangina, wala akong defensive. I don't have defensive there.
Pagkita ko ng pub, gigagad ako. Buhay ako.
Ang tagal mo.
Hindi, kasama mo ako.
Giga ko.
Kasama ako sa namatay. Magkatabi tayo eh.
Sama mo si Terme.
Naging collateral siya. Si
Buhay ako.
Hinahan ka ng Cox, ng heavy mace nila para di ka makaboots.
Peter, can you put Incubus first and Hillion Hood so that they cannot cancel their Hillion Hood? We need to be first Hillion Hood on them if we're trying to engage. Again, wait me, boys. How many people died on us on that engage?
1, 2,
Only
3,
me?
4, 5. 5 people die.
5 people died. 5.
5 people dead. How many we kill?
2.
Only 2. Aray ko. Sige lang.
Round 2 pa.
Yes,
Good.
Buhay yung
Again.
power ko.
Change mount muna, Slay. Back to past mode.
Play nga.
I'm here now. I'm here.
Change map tayo.
Change pa ba?
Where are they?
Nasa G-Pass.
They change? What happened?
Tell them come. Baka
Yeah, they said, tell me, Freddy. Tell me, where are you?
They said they're banking, wait 3 minutes, please.
HO pa ako eh, saglit lang.
Need exalted, man. Need exalted so that we can one-tap them. I need exalted. Exalted stuff, average. Offensive, exalted, ha. Again, dismount everyone. Dismount everyone, dismount everyone. Dismount everyone, dismount everyone. Spread. Spread lang, spread lang. Make a circle, boys. Make a circle. Make a circle, make a circle. Okay, ready? Everyone look on the crown, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown me now. Spread again. Spread again. That's it. You know, you spread.
Uy,
Huwag
Bogart.
niyo i-stack
Spread.
yung Hellion Hood nyo. Rotate niya din, rotate niya din. Hunt niyo palagi si Liam pag ano,
Hellion Hood.
pag nag-pop
Yeah.
siya ng clamp, pop kagad ng Hellion Hood. Huwag kayo mag-hesitate.
Heavy
Kasi
mace,
melee
heavy
yung
mace.
melee yung
We have-
DPS nila.
We have 6 healers. We have 6 healer. 6 healer, Capre.
Heavy mace in open world. Follow only
4 on
color.
main, 2 on, 2 on party 2.
I mean enemy color.
Abby is healer, right? Abby healer. Average healer as well. Where is Terminator? Termi.
Terme, ikaw na lang. Hindi
Ngayon sa, quag pa. Sound pa lang ng pen.
Lumbay pa si
Okay.
Termi.
Saan ba kayo? Nasaan kayo? Nasa pen pa rin.
Fen.
Dito na sila, oh.
Titan yung
Ah.
Guardian Armor ang puta.
Yerten yung Guardian
Parang akin
na.
na.
7-3
Yeah.
May nagtitan na para hindi mo one tap. Hello. Hello.
No need naman talaga Titan. Basta kahit may guard rods ka lang, di ka na mawa-one tap.
Oh, I just need guard rune on me, please. I just need you to look guard runes on me.
Yun lang. Sino ba guardian natin?
I have in the party 2. I have lot of guard runes in party 2.
Wala
Like
kang
I have
guardian sa party 2. Puro heavy mace yung party 2 mo. 3 heavy mace, isang hammer.
Rag-usi.
Okay, walk southwest for now. Walk southwest. Come to me southwest.
O si check yung mga nag-usi kanina.
OC check.
Put check all.
GG.
Si Terme pa. Okay na, Cox?
Okay, GG. Hold southwest. Go back southwest for now. Go back southwest. Come southwest. Southwest. They will engaging.
Sila, oh.
That's
Fake,
fake.
fake,
That's
fake.
fake.
Gina. Spread now. Spread lang. Okay, I will do fake. This is fake. This is fake. Heal me, boys. Heal me. Everyone now, on the choke is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke only. Choke, that's drop.
North
Then
side
go
mo,
back.
north side mo.
Guardian armor, then spread south lang. Spread lang. Spread,
Okay,
hold.
yan niya, ha?
Hold now, spread lang. You're clamping up in west. You're clamping up in west. You're clamping up. Spread now.
Running, kamis.
Spread now. Ah, man. Spread. Oh my goodness, boys. What are you guys doing? Spread. Everyone look on the ground. East now. East shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Mina crown.
Silence ka.
Spread lang. Don't stay in the middle. Don't stay in the middle. No one stay in the middle. Hold. Go north now. Go north. Okay, everyone now. In the middle again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle. This is big.
Hold down ako.
This is big. We kill. Spread lang.
Yeah, ready na yan. Ready engage.
Spread lang. They will have engage.
Hellion.
Spread lang. Keep spreading, boys. Keep spreading.
That's fake.
Spread lang.
Shaper
Engaging
West.
Spread
na,
lang.
engaging na.
Okay, east now. Look east now. Oh my God, I'm dead. Out now, GG.
Oh, I think they gonna catch me. I think
Kala ko
I need to
clap
run
roll
back.
ka na. Ba't